Hey YouTube, it's me, the Saucy Bearded Indian, and I'm back with another video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you more of what we offer at Kings and Queens other than the Funko. I also resell shoes. I have these Kobe Laker homes that I'm going to bring back to life. Stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, today on the video, like I said, we're going to bring back to life these Kobe homes. I got these things off of Goodwill.com in the auction. If you didn't know, yes, you can go on there and you can auction in things like Funko Pops, sneakers, Pokemon cards, anything you can think of. So when you're out there sourcing and you're trying to get products, whether it's for you or you're selling, instead of just going out to the store, you can do it on your mobile phone or the internet while you're doing other things. I got them for a really good price, but I want to sit here and go through the process for you guys to show you how we clean these up and get them ready, prepped to sell. Okay? So, fresh out the package, I already opened it. We got these Kobe's. Size 11, so I should clean them up and keep them for myself, right? So I'm going to show you them before, and then we're going to clean them up, and I'm going to show you them after. Okay? It's not actually too bad. There's a little bit of markings here, if you can see them. And honestly, I think that's the most of our worries is right here on this toe box of the shoe. Okay? So this is the right shoe. Yeah, next it has the carbon fiber like the Jordan 11s right here. Here's the left shoe. Again, on this sneaker, on this shoe, it's just a little bit of the dirtiness and scuffs on the toe box that we're going to try to focus in on. Okay. There's a couple of different things you need to get these nice and clean and ready to be sold. Okay. One of these things that I actually like to use right from Dollar Tree is the shoe eraser. These things are awesome. All you gotta do is wet them, add water, and it's a magic eraser on one side, and the other side is a little scrubby pad. Alright. Also got some extra magic erasers. Okay. I like to use a little Resolve carpet cleaner, honestly. It's one of my tricks on some of the areas back here that aren't like leather. So we can get in there and scrub that off if we need to. Then we just use a little bit of Dawn actually in hot water. Okay. If we need to scrub, just make sure you don't get yourself too hard of a brush to mess up the materials. Try to get something a little soft that you can play with so you can get the dirt out and not destroy your shoe, especially a shoe like these. Alright. So those are the materials we're going to be using. First things first, what we want to do is you want to take out the laces. Okay, once you got the laces out, you take these and you put this in your hot soapy water with your Dawn and let them sit in there. This would be the last thing that we clean before we lace these back up. Okay. We're gonna open our shoe eraser. Focus on our problem areas first, then get to the easy areas. Just give them a quick overlook to see. Actually, we're looking at the laces around. Not too bad. So I got my bucket of hot soapy water over here. Let's just bring this on up in here. I'll put this one aside for now. You actually need a towel also to wipe off the excess water. Then we want to take a little bit of resolve after we got pretty much the outside cleaned up as good as we can. We can spray it on the inside. That way we keep our insoles intact. Some people take their insoles off. Some people just can't fit the shoe and just want to, just so we can keep the shoe completely intact and get it to the person, whoever's going to buy it from us. Use the Resolve or use some type of cleaner and get up in here, and you can just scrub by hand. So we got the right one done, and we're going to start on the left. See, we did get really good up in this toe box. We got these marks about 95% of the way out, but on foot and just period, they're way better. Bottoms, soles clean, inside's clean. Let's start on these left ones. These are going to be a little bit more easier. I've had to cheat a little bit, use a little bit of nail polish remover to get some of these off. These are actually in there pretty deep and on the material. Just be gentle, not to put too much, and cause separation from the sole. Okay. So now we have the right shoe and the left shoe, and you can see they're almost back to new. All it is a little bit of the aging. I believe these released in like 2009. R.I.P. Kobe, one of the greatest. This shoe's worth a little bit. If you have some time, go ahead and look it up. I know there's one on Gold selling for like $2,000. So it's definitely, if you have one of these, it's definitely worth cleaning them, restoring them, holding on to them, for the value of the money. If you're not a Kobe fan, which everyone who watches basketball is Kobe, LeBron, Jordan. but these are definitely some grails. So the only thing left to do is to clean the laces, which they've been soaking in the water the whole time we've been scrubbing these. It's been at least 20-30 minutes. So we just want to take them, squeeze them out, let everything dry, put it back together, and show you the finished product. Alright, we got these things all cleaned up and ready to go up for sale, whether I'm going to put them on Goat, Macari, StockX, whatever platform that I choose. But I just want to show you how these things turned out. I'm pretty happy with the results. On the toe box, I got all the scuffing out. Only thing you really see on these things now is the age. Again, these things were released in 2009. So, of course, you're going to see a little age, which is good. But the scuff marks and all that, that's not good if you want to wear these out. Or even if you want to put these on display because they're so old and they're collectibles. But as I said, these things are worth a pretty penny. So even if you were not a Kobe collector, they are definitely worth cleaning them up. If you find these any place in the wild and you want to make some money off of them, or you just want to put them on display because you like basketball. This video is basically to show you more about what Kings and Queens gets involved with. Funko Pop is a love and a passion of mine that I found after I loved shoes. So this is really fun, interesting, and I love this. I might just keep these for myself, but who knows. But if you like this video and you want to see more of them, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any tips for me for the next time that I go to clean shoes, please share them in the comments below. If you're a Kobe fan, I'm pretty sure you appreciate this video. I appreciate this video. But again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.